The hibiscus flower. Let's see the parts of hibiscus flower. Stalk. Support for leaf, flower and fruit. Small petals. Protects the flower when it is in the bud. Big petals are colorful to attract insects to help pollinate the flower. A middle part with a colorful filament in the center and some other colored tiny parts. The middle part is to help the flower to become a seed and later a fruit. Stigma of the hibiscus is red in color. You can see the stigma is in red in color. It is very important to know that fruits come only from flowers. Vegetables come from other parts of plant. Let's do some experiment with hibiscus flower. Bring a big colorful hibiscus flower. Let's divide the parts of hibiscus flower. The petals are removed first. Start removing all the petals carefully. The sepals are removed next. After you remove big petals and small petals, you see middle part of the flower, and that is style and ovary. Slowly remove the stigma of the hibiscus flower. Flowers also have different parts for different use. In this video, you saw the different parts of hibiscus flower. Thanks for watching.